Here at HouseSmarts, we've covered many stories about the trials and tribulations of owning or renting a home. And while the challenges we face daily may seem like a big deal, it's important to appreciate the fact that we actually have a place to call home. Over the years, HouseSmarts has sought to shine a light on those helping the less fortunate, from low-income housing to assisting those affected by natural disasters.
Musician Village is a great place to just hang out. We're on every tour, every disaster tour around the city, and we always have folks coming out. Some of the people that really needed homes are musicians. So we wanted to create just an entire community that was being rebuilt and where musicians could live and pass on their trade and pass on that tradition of music to the next generation.
We started in 1976 in a really small town called Americus, Georgia, by two remarkable individuals, Millard and Linda Fuller. They had a very basic premise. Everyone deserves a decent place to live. And to this day, a family moves into a Habitat home every 57 seconds around the world.
These problems aren't easily solved and require the effort of teams of dedicated individuals to not only fund these projects, but to offer a helping hand in a variety of ways, sometimes in ways that defy convention.
So I first met Diego in 2012 on a trip to Guatemala. Diego is a Tzutujil Mayan chocolate maker who's been doing it in Guatemala for 15 years. And I explained to him the concept behind my business, and he told me what he was trying to do in Guatemala, which is create jobs in his town by making and selling chocolate. So we decided to work together to bring his chocolate to the USA so that he could hire more people in his town. The mission behind Diego's Chocolate is twofold: to create well-paying jobs in Guatemala and also to bring delicious, healthy, well-made chocolate to customers in the USA and all over the world.
Sí, la idea de Chocolates Diego es seguir abriendo mercado para poder ampliar el negocio y ampliar también poder emplear a más personas, ya que en mi pueblo, San Pedro, hay muchas personas ya profesionales, graduados en academias, no cuentan con un trabajo. El reto para Diego es buscar más mercado.
The way that Diego's Chocolate sources our ingredients is a really important part of our company. All of our cacao, 100%, the beans come from within Guatemala. Diego buys his beans directly from small-scale farmers. Why is this important? Because he can buy them directly from the farmers, he can pay them a good price and receive a good price himself because there are no intermediaries.
Sus ingredientes son naturales y orgánicos y totalmente artesanal, no industrial. Quizás, y estoy seguro que esa es hace la diferencia, totalmente diferente.
On June 3rd, 2018, a very large and active volcano in Guatemala, it's called the Volcano of Fire, erupted. Unfortunately, many Mayan villages near the volcano were completely destroyed. As a result, right now, currently, there's about 200 casualties and thousands of people living in shelters who cannot return to their homes and will never be able to return to their homes. What we at Diego's Chocolate have decided to do is to try to do our part. We are sending 700 chocolate bars to the biggest shelter near the volcano, and we want our chocolate to be in these shelters constantly, as long as people are in there, because our chocolate is not just a sweet. It fills people up, it gives them energy, it gives them nutrients, it makes them smile. And for Guatemalans, this chocolate is like a comfort food to them. They know it, they're familiar with it. Our goal is to keep the chocolate in the shelters while at the same time raising awareness and maintaining awareness about the tragedy in Guatemala so that people continue to help until the problem is fixed. So here's how you can help with the volcano relief efforts. Please go to diegoschocolates.com, and there you will find information about how you can get involved. For every chocolate that you buy, we will send one chocolate to people in shelters around the volcano. And we're going to keep doing this until they are all resettled and there's no more people in shelters. We also have information on our website about where you can donate money or volunteer or other ways that you can help. And you can rest assured that all of the resources that we provide will be reputable and meaningful, because we are on the ground in Guatemala and we know where best to direct money and time and chocolate.
There are many ways, both big and small, that you can help with as well. In addition to Diego's chocolate, be sure to visit habitat.org for projects going on in your area.